Number 1. ULANZI SC02 Suction Mount Magic Arm Bracket for DSLR Cameras Action Camera. Strong load safe. Use 4.5-inch larger suction cup mount, more contact area, stronger adsorption force. Suited to use within 3 kg 6.6 pounds vertical bearing load, 40 kg 88.2 pounds horizontal bearing load, 60 kg 132.3 pounds. Quick release suction mount. The vacuum suction cup mount comes with quick release NATO clamp mount for quick application and storage. Number 2. ULANZI ZJ01 Camera Suction Cup Mount. The ULANZI ZJ01 Camera Suction Cup Mount offers unparalleled flexibility. Action camera suction cup mount allows you to capture shots from various angles both inside and outside your vehicle, whether you're attaching it to your car's sunroof. Number 3. ULANZI ZJ02 Camera Desk Mount Overhead Magic Arm. The stand is freely adjustable, with an extended length of up to 98 centimeters, suitable for large-sized desks, and 1/4 ball head offers flexible adjustments for shooting at different angles. Flexible adjustment. You can adjust the toothed joints of the arm for 180 degrees versatility to any angle and position you need. Number 4. NEEWER Triple Suction Cup Car Mount Kit with 2-in-1 extension pole/selfie stick. Capture unique driving angles from your engine hood, windshield inside/outside, car dash, or car side for immersive POV, point of view, footage on the road. This suction cup camera mount stand holder securely attaches your action camera with 3 powerful suction cups. Number 5. SmallRig Camera Suction Cup Mount. SmallRig Suction Cup provides a professional and reliable solution to vehicle-based or other personalized photography, achieving multi-scene applications. It is suitable to mount onto cars, trucks, boats, and other smooth and dry surfaces nor breathable. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.